Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. It's in good working condition. We'll power it up here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Does have the controls on the cabinet there. Again, we'll start it up here in a second. Overall dimensions, 50 inches long by 38 inches wide by 48 inches high. Weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. And we'll come back around here, start it up for you. Very nice quiet machine. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.